Breakdown and packing up can be a time-consuming task. Introducing I2R stage lighting system with rapid disassembly. Disassemble in just 5 minutes with its intuitive design. No complex procedures or intricate cable webs to deal with. Pack it up quickly and efficiently into the provided fire case. No more guessing or struggling to fit everything in a generic case. Minimize the risk of damage and increase the longevity of your lighting system. Store your stage lighting system in small spaces without compromising safety. Make breakdown and storing a breeze with I2R. Contact us today for seamless event transitions. Visit our website, press like and subscribe. Thanks.